Hi there, this is Daniel with End Time Country Living, and on this video I just want to quickly show you of a particular kind of hose washer that is way better than any of the rest. So here I have two of my nice Craftsman hoses. Most of them actually come with a nice washer. This one did not. This one came with one of these red or orange rubber ones, and it was spraying here, leaking. There's a little wet spot right here where the hose, actually I think it was over here, wet spot here where the hose was lying, and I tried to flex it a little bit and it was squirting out, spraying me out of that here, even though it was a tight connection. And so I suspected that it had a bad washer in there, and sure enough, as I opened it up here, it had a bad washer in here. So what I would recommend, this guy right here. So I'll see if I can post the information on these, but look for white washers. I don't know the material on here, but they always seem to come in white, so try to find a white hose washer online. See if you can find a source for them. I'll see if I can post mine, if I can find it or not. But this is the kind that almost never break down. They really hold their elasticity and sealing ability for years and years and years. So this is what I recommend. Some of my Craftsman hoses actually came with them, and that's how I found out about them. I was like, wow, those are really doing well. Maybe I should try to find some new ones. And so I was able to find some. So clip those in there, put those back together. We'll have a great hose connection. I'll tighten that up with a couple wrenches here, just to make sure it isn't going to leak. Not overly tight by any means. Snug it up nicely. Sure there isn't any flex. A little bit more. Okay, so that means there's no flex in this area here. And I flex it, so that's what you're going to look for. Alright, well that's all I have for you today. Hope that was a helpful tip for you. God bless, and I will see you on the next video.